Hello and welcome to this demo of Reshape. Reshape is your risk analysis copilot. It helps you get 10 times faster and cheaper risk analysis using state-of-the-art AI technologies. If you're an engineer working in the field of risk analysis for automotive, aerospace, or an equivalent technical field, you know how long and error-prone the process can be. You are probably given tens, if not hundreds of pages of technical documentation to analyze. A risk analysis will keep you busy for months to years. So in this video, I would like to show you how Reshape makes this process much more time efficient and less error prone thanks to our AI model. In our landing page, you get some videos that exactly explain you how to configure and run our AI model. Nevertheless, as I'm here today, I would like to support you with guiding you through the basic steps. So let's run what we call a quick analysis. In this simplified interface, you are able to upload the relevant technical documentation that you want to use as a basis for the risk analysis. In this case, we have uploaded, as you can see, a PDF file. Then you are able to name a project and to provide a project description. You can select one of the available risk analysis templates, and by clicking on Run Risk Analysis, you will trigger our AI model to start working on the risk analysis for you. The computation time will, of course, depend on the amount of technical documentation that you have provided. So let me shortcut to the results. The results look like this. The first result you get is a tree decomposition of your system into subsystems. This is a very visual way to represent the project. Then you get a risk distribution thanks to the classification that is automatically produced by our AI model. Then you get risk distribution by system. This is very convenient when you want to compare the impact and criticality of the different systems on the overall project. And then you get what we call the summary tree, which is the most comprehensive overview of the results, which is nothing else but a very big table, as you can see, very big, very densely populated, with systems, subsystems, failure modes, consequences, and the relevant standards that were used to assess the failure modes and the consequences, the automated risk classification identified by our AI model, and the very important column, which is called source, which is indicating the relevant sections of the input documentation which are used by our AI model to infer the risk classification. This provides what we call explainable AI, namely full transparency and traceability of our AI model decisions. Finally, if you want to export in a convenient format this table, you can just export by clicking on this button into a CSV, and you can, of course, update the risk analysis offline as convenient. Last step, if you want to add additional documentation and run again the risk analysis, you can just go to the project management page, create a new session, and update, as you have seen before, with additional documents and run again the risk analysis. This was a very quick overview of the use of our tool. There is much more to it, so if you enjoyed this, please feel free to contact us and let us know if you want to know more. We'll be happy to provide you much more details. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot for listening.